Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so you can connect immediately. Install Vscode and a SQL extension like MS SQL or SQL tools. Once installed, open the command palette and install any suggested drivers. Make sure you have your database host, port, username, password, and target database ready. If the extension asks, create a new connection profile and save it. You do this now, so the next steps focus on writing and executing queries, rather than chasing setup problems. Once your connection profile exists, select it and test the connection to verify credentials and network access. Then open a new SQL file in Vscode. Make sure the extension shows the active connection in the status bar. You can write a select or other statements and run them with the extension's run query command or keyboard shortcut. Results appear in a grid, and the messages pane shows execution info. Use these to confirm column types and row counts before proceeding. To finish, adopt efficient habits. Use snippets and parameterized queries to avoid mistakes and rely on query history for repeat tasks. For larger jobs, run multi-statement scripts or wrap work in transactions so you can roll back if needed. View the execution plan when available to tune performance. If something fails, check the extension's logs, verify firewall or network rules, and confirm the correct driver version. If the connection test succeeds but queries fail, recheck database permissions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.